Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for November 16th. Currently looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair moved lower today. It did break previous support areas and close below it. We are looking for it to continue lower with a bias to the downside. Look for it to potentially, though, go as high as 90.15, possibly as low as 88.14. Look for some resistance around 89.25. and possibly some support around 88.75. Okay, switching to the EURUSD pair. This pair closed up, did not pretty much hit previous areas of resistance and pulled back. It is moving sideways with the bias that is sideways currently. Look for this pair to potentially move as high as 1.5086, possibly as low as 148.16. Look for some resistance around 150.25 and look for some support around 149.00. Now let's switch over to the pound US dollar pair. This pair moved higher, broke some previous resistance areas, but did pull back and close below them. We are looking for this pair to, for the most part, continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially move as high as 169.66. possibly as low as 165.73. Look for some resistance around 168.76 and look for some support around 167.50. Now looking at the US Swiss, this particular pair closed lower. It is moving within the range overall. Did not really break any support resistance lines. Came down and tagged some and pulled back. We are looking for this pair to possibly move as high as 1.0196, possibly as low as 0.9991. Look for some resistance around 10100 and look for some support around 10050. Okay, now we really don't have any news announcements as far as tomorrow is concerned. No significant news announcements for tomorrow. What am I looking at though? One thing I am looking at is the pound Japanese yen pair. This pair is consolidating down, has been for a while, and today it created an inside bar. And let's zoom back in to take a look at that, exactly what that looks like. We have an inside bar here, means it has a lower high than the bar before it and a higher low than the bar before it. An inside bar. Look for it to break out. I do anticipate it breaking out. If it does break out, definitely look for it to come back to this level to the upside. We could hit roughly around the 150.0 level, and to the downside, definitely look for it to tag this particular session's low down around the 1.40 or 148.25 range, possibly even hitting a little bit lower down around the 147.80 mark. So these are some areas to keep in mind. Remember that we have consolidation down. If we get a breakout of these down or to the upside, make sure to take note of these trend lines. Are going to be key support and resistance for the breakout. It could just run up and tag it, so give it a little bit of breathing room on the other side before you jump in. Probably 3 pips would be plenty, and just keep your stop loss to a 1-to-1 ratio and look for it to move in that direction. So either way this moves, you could possibly have a trade. Definitely a good setup. The overall long term, we have consolidation. We have consolidation short term with an inside bar formation. I definitely see this pair breaking out. If not in this session, in the next one. I guess the only other thing that we could look for that would be better for this is to have an inside bar on the session we're currently in. So we'll have 2 inside bars and then look for a breakout. That's the only way this could get better. So definitely keep an eye on this one. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.